Discussion when we are talking about the peninsular plateau, we have discussed one thing, the slope, and the slope that we have seen towards the eastern side, and because of the slope, major rivers actually come and merge in Bay of Bengal, and as they are merging in Bay of Bengal, they are depositing their silt and sediments. Now major rivers like Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, these are the major rivers that actually had formed deltas, and just due to the deltas or their drainage system, this entire area you can see is much wider than the western coastal plain. Now just let me show this thing and it will be easier for you. Here Mahanadi merges, here Godavari merges, here Kaveri merges, sorry, Krishna merges, and here Kaveri merges. So all the areas where they are actually merging with Bay of Bengal, you can see the area is much wider as because of the deltas. Hope so this is clear. Now, so this is all about the coastal plains. Okay, so coastal plains, what we have read, why we have read that there are two coastal plains in western side and the eastern side. In western side it is known as western coastal plain, and which is in eastern side it is called as eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain can be classified into three parts. Number one, which is situated in the north, that is called as Konkan. Then the central part is called as Kannada plain, and the last or the southern part is called as Malabar coast. Okay. And when we are coming and when we are talking about the eastern coastal plain can be broadly divided into two parts. These are the two parts are northern Sarkars, which are present in the northern side, and the southern part is called as the Coromandel coast. Now comparing these two, that western coastal plains are a very narrow strip, narrower comparing to the eastern coastal plain. Why? The reason is that the western coastal plains have a very swift rivers that doesn't form deltas, and that's why they are very narrow. And comparing to the eastern coastal plain, there are major rivers that form deltas, and just because of that they do have a wider coastal plain. Now